welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while, not a very long time. Give me some credit. It hasn't been that long like the other ones, but it's been a little minute. I am back to go ahead and making some videos. The reason why I put a pause on doing videos in the first place is because I was actually finishing college. So last Saturday, which was the 3rd, I actually graduated with my Bachelor's of Health Science. So finally, we're over college. I'm done. I'm not doing this no more. The end goal was to eventually get my doctorate degree, but I'm gonna put a hold on that for right now. There's a lot of other things I want to do too. The good thing is if I can still go back to school if I want to, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my time. Want to go ahead and continue making videos for you guys. I want to improve where I'm at work. I think I'm doing pretty good, but I do want to get better. By the way, if you hear noise, I'm sorry. My neighbors are moving things around and stuff like that. The walls are paper thin here. Anyways, so today I am actually here to do a Boxycharm unboxing and a little bit of a try on too, because there's some stuff in here that I do want to try on for today. Not a lot. I have to run some errands right after this, so I'm going to try to make this quick. But there are some things I want to put on because I'm not going to do a full face of makeup or anything, really just some skincare, a little bit of powder, brush my brows down, mascara. So some of the stuff in the boxes has that, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I also have my paper to give you prices and things as such. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I noticed in the box, because of course it's bright freaking pink, is the Tarte Bay Ego mascara. From what I've been told about this is that it makes your lashes longer and thicker. I have never tried this before. I always like mascaras to make my lashes long and thicker because I naturally have long lashes already. I just want them fuller. So I'm hoping this will do the trick for me, which I'm going to go ahead and try this on. Give you a little bit of information. It does say it's ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a full loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. I don't know how long this will last on me. 16 hours is a long time. We're gonna find out though. We'll find out, especially during the week, because I work 8 to 11 hours depending on how long I'm at work, how early I get there, how late I stay. So we'll find out. But this runs for $23. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in so I could go ahead and put some of this on. You guys can kind of see where we're at. Okay, so I have you guys zoomed in a lot. As you can see all my scarring, which we'll deal with at another time. Not going to deal with that right now. So let's go ahead and try this mascara on. I have my mirror. I'm going to curl my lashes first, making sure this doesn't get in your way. There we go. By the way, for you guys who curl your lashes before putting on mascara, have you ever noticed that one eye, when you curl it, curls a lot better and stands up a lot better than the other one? Because for some reason mine does that. This one here I have to curl a lot longer and a lot more, and it still doesn't give me fully what I want. This one does about 1 to 3 presses and it's already up. That one took about 8, if you can even see that. But let's go ahead and put on some of this mascara and see what happens. By the way, this is what it looks like in the packaging, outside of the packaging, sorry. Trying to get it so it doesn't blur. There we go. Super pink. I'm not a pink type of person, but let's give this a shot. Okay, I can see some length. Definitely not super thickening. I can't even say the word thickening. I already got some on my eyelid, so you know I'm gonna have to wait for that to dry. Also, I only put 1, maybe 2 coats of mascara on, just because I don't like clumping. Okay, definitely lengthening. Can y'all see that? Compared to this one? Okay, well there they go with one coat already. I don't know. I guess they're okay. I don't know, for some reason I still love the roller lash more. Maybe it's just my preference, I don't know. I'm gonna try a second coat. So let's see what happens with the second coat. Alright, so this is with the second coat. I like it a little bit more now that I did the second coat. I definitely need to clean my lids. That got messy, but I'll take care of that. We'll wait on that. So I can complain, okay. Just did what it said. It lengthened, made it a little thicker. Not clumpy, guys. A little clump right here, but my lashes actually always clump here every time I put mascara. There we go. Not that bad. So for this mascara, I guess it's not that bad. I like that it's the color black. I get nervous thinking I'm going to get a brown shade or something like that because I don't utilize that. I will say though, the picture that they use on here, I don't know if you could see it, but they definitely make it look a lot thicker. So I don't know, but that's okay. At least we know that it thickens. Let's go to the next item. So the next item in the box is face oil. It's from Wander. It's the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I lost the box because I tried this last night at my parents' house. And my dog, for some reason, loves paper towels, boxes, and just tissue paper in general. And right when I took the box off, I laid it beside me, and not even 2 seconds later, I just saw black lightning, because she's a black lab. And she just, whoosh, took my box, and y'all know what happens from there. I no longer have a box. But the point is, I still got my product. It's supposed to be an illuminator. What the paper says, it's a So apparently this is a multitasking beauty elixir. Instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type. It says it's lightweight, it nourishes and primes the skin, it helps restore skin moisture, and it's a spill-proof dropper, which I did see that. So let me see if I can do this right. This is what they mean by a spill-proof dropper, if y'all can see that. So it literally does, I put it in my hand because I know me, I'm gonna make a mess. But either way, so this retails for $42. This itty bitty thing retails for $42. This thing better make my skin hydrated, not even look oily. But we're about to find out now. Oh, and it comes out pink with glitter. But hopefully the glitter doesn't show. See what I mean? If you could see that, I don't know. There you go. Alright, let's try it at Move. Oh, it feels good on the skin, I'll tell you that much. It feels absorbing into the skin. A little sticky, but I think it's just because it's still moist. It does feel really good though. I do have combination skin in my T-zone here. I do get really oily. My cheeks are probably normal. They don't get oily, but they also don't get dry. So that's the good thing. It feels good. It is a little tacky, so I can see why it would be a primer, or like a primer that you could put your makeup on. That actually feels pretty good. I am going to put my mattifying, sorry, I had to look in the mirror. I'm going to put my mattifying primer on top of this, just because I'm going outside and I don't want to get all oily and everything with this Florida heat. I did wash my face before doing this video, I just didn't put anything on prior to. So I'm going to go ahead and put that moisturizer on, and we'll see if it mattifies me out just a little bit, but I do feel hydrated, so that's a good thing. This is the e.l.f. mattifier that I'm talking about for a moisturizer. No, it does not come in the box. I bought this at the store. So I'm just going to put this on real quick. I do about a squirt and a half, I guess. Just to mattify everything out. much better. I'll just let that dry. So the next product, it looks like it's a peel off mask. It says it's a brightening peel off mask with Pure, and it looks like they themed it with Barbie. Last I heard it was because of an anniversary. Let me see. Yep, 60th anniversary with Barbie. So they went ahead and teamed up with them and made a mask. It does have glitter in it, but it says it does not stay on. It's one of those you just put on, wait 10-15 minutes, and then go ahead and peel it off, and it's supposed to brighten your skin. It has licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng. So I'll probably try this tonight, and then I can show you guys like the results on my Instagram story, Snapchat story. Probably do Instagram since that one is public. Let me see. This retails for $26. Let me see if it shows. I wonder if it's pink inside. It probably is. Oh, I haven't even opened it. Ooh, yeah, that is really pink. See if I get a little bit out again without spilling it everywhere, because I'm known for that. There we go. Can y'all see that? Or you see how it's pink? Let me stop because I'm about to make a mess. I'll go ahead and try this. I need something to be brightening. Maybe it'll help with the scarring and remove some of that, especially since it has green tea and vitamin B. So $26, you can probably buy this on the website. I'm a little nervous because of the glitter, but I will get a chance to try this tonight and see how it does. The other item in the box is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. From what I heard, this is a setting powder. It's just a loose setting powder. And it feels wet or cold when you put it on your face, but it's not actually wet. It sets your face. That's the whole point of it. It says, keep me close to keep me cool. So that makes sense. You don't want all the oxygen to get in there. Do not tell me my nails are not going to let me. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get in there and pull this off. Let me get my tweezers. Ooh. Anybody who gets their nails done, you can't pull something out, tweezers. You get your nails too long because you told your girl to go ahead and just go a little shorter, but she knows you like them long, and you got to use a card to pay for gas. In, out, boom. That's simple. Yes, I had to learn the hard way. Oh, look at that, there's already a little powder there. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and set my face since I put all this serum and moisturizer on my face. Where's my brush? I'm going to try doing this without it. Without a mirror. I'm so scared. Okay, here we go. Oh, it does feel wet. Oh, but it feels so nice. I'm not going to do, I'll do a little bit on my eye because I still got to remove all that mascara. Oh, it does feel wet and cold. I wonder if it actually is. I'll look at my mirror just a second. This feels really nice. Oh, smells good. I probably got that all on my nose now just for doing that too. That feels so good. Feels refreshing, which I think is actually exactly what the box says. Ooh, this feels nice. I'm impressed. I don't usually get Becca items. Mainly because it's expensive. Well, this is what it looks like. This retails for $39. This is actually cheaper than the Wonder Glow Illuminating Oil. So that's shocking, actually. I would definitely probably go and get this. Now, it does say make sure you keep everything closed and tight because you will lose the cold feeling and the wet feeling if it's not tight. I heard after a few months you actually lose the feeling of that too with the powder, so I'll probably be using this up so that I could go ahead and have it feeling that way. What is going on with the curls? The last item in the box is so exciting. We actually got lashes, which I love. I used to have extensions, but I took them out because I got tired of maintaining them. The girl who's doing my lashes, amazing. I will link her Instagram down below so you can see her prices and her work and everything on her Instagram. But when I don't have my lash extensions on, I do the mascara and everything that you just saw. And sometimes if I'm feeling real extravagant, I'll go ahead and put lashes on. So these are from Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Ooh, these are cute. Let me see if I can show you guys. This is, whoa, come back. This is what it looks like. Those are pretty. And they have the Instagram and everything. Oh, they're called Instaglam. That makes sense. I'm not trying these on. I'm going to save this for a special occasion, which is, I don't know when, because I never leave the house. Probably one day at work when I'm feeling all extravagant. Yep, that says they're Lashaholics Instaglam False Lashes. They're 100% vegan from premium silk fibers. Ooh, I like silk lashes. They're really soft. And these retail for $14.99. I'm gonna have to clean these and utilize these for a little while whenever I put them on. That's awesome. They are really pretty. So I will be using these eventually for a special occasion. Well, that looks like everything that was in my box. That's 5 items. Typically this box comes with 5 items. Once in a blue it's 6. So all of these for $20, and as you heard, this alone was $39 and the elixir alone was $42. So you're already going past the amount that you normally spend on the box. I could definitely figure out what the prices in total for all of this was within the box. Alright, let's pull out the calculator because I do not feel like doing this in my head. Alright, so the Becca item was $39. The Wonder Oil was $42. Tarte Mascara was $23. The mask was $26. And the lashes are $14.99. Subtotal came out to $144.99. And you only pay $20 for the box. I'm impressed. I like this month. This month's box was really nice. So at least the good thing is that I'll get to utilize everything that's in here. There's some boxes that I'll use 4 out of the 5 or 3 out of the 5, which is fine because I give stuff to my friends or my sister if they want it. So I would definitely recommend Boxycharm. I've been saying it with every other video. No, this is not sponsored. This is just me with my opinion, how I feel, and I really like Boxycharm. It saves me a lot of money also because I used to blow money at Sephora and Ulta, but now since I have the monthly $20 that they take out of my account, and I get the box, I'm pretty satisfied because I get 5 items that's way more than $20. So if you want to see more Boxycharm unboxing and try-ons, I could do that for you. Let me know what you do want to see for videos in the comments below. Definitely let me know. I can make more videos. I think I'm going to do a couple of foundation reviews coming up. So I could do those as well because those have been requested. So give me some time. I'll go ahead and get those down for you. I'll get this edited and the rest taken care of for you. I do want to say today is Sunday. This is the beginning of the week. So I hope you guys have an amazing week. Enjoy your Sunday. Do everything you got to do. Relax. Run errands. Have a good time before you start the week off either going to school or going to work. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Alright, we're actually going to do this. Here we go. So the first thing I noticed in the box, because of course it's bright. Okay, I can't. I don't know if I want to pay that price. It's a multitasking beauty elixir